Area of a circle. We all know that there is a formula to find the area of a circle. Now, let's see how to derive the formula, for which consider this circle here, which is divided into lot of sectors. So you can see this, I've used two colors here to divide it into sectors. Now, first let's rearrange this in such a manner to form two semicircles. So I'm going to rearrange this in such a way, like I'll put all the whites together and I'll put all the reds together. This way, I have rearranged this. I have rearranged this in two semicircles. Like you can see, this part, the white part is one semicircle and this is one more semicircle. We all know that this circumference is 2 pi r. So if it's 2 pi r, so the semicircle is going to be pi r. So this semicircle will be pi r and this semicircle also will be pi r. Now let's take this circle and rearrange in such a way that it forms a rectangle. I'll again arrange it for you. So let's take the semicircle like this and let's arrange it to form a So this way, I have arranged this circle in the form of a rectangle. So how beautifully those sectors are used and it is formed a rectangle. Now we all know how to find the area of a rectangle, which is length into breadth. So now when you see here, you can see that this one side was this one semicircle. So what was the circumference? It was pi r. So this is going to be pi r. Then you can see that this portion was the radius of this circle. So this will be r. So what is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, which is pi r into r, which is pi r square. So the area of this circle is pi r square. This is how you derive the formula to find the area of a circle.